What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be drinking the COVID-19 water at 3 a.m. Okay, guys, let's get right into the video. But first, let me finish this bit of it. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but we're gonna finish it at 3 a.m. So we're gonna see what happens. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, I'm so you have to like the like button, okay? Okay, guys, let's drink COVID-19. If you guys don't know, COVID-19 is spreading all across the world, and it's like a spooky, scary virus. That doesn't exist. Okay, okay, guys, we're gonna be drinking COVID-19 at 3 a.m. Okay, guys, let's get right into the video. Here it is, guys. It looks pretty stinky. We bought this off the black market. If you guys don't know, the black market is a place where you can buy slaves.
Upcoming video.
Okay, guys, let's drink the COVID-19 water. Oh no, guys, I think I'm gonna have to inject myself with the vaccine, aka the experiment. Whoops, guys. Oh my god, you won't believe what is happening to me right now. I'm experiencing agonizing pain. Oh, see that, guys? COVID isn't a joke, guys. It's real. Totally 100% sarcasm. Don't take me for serious. Oh, I need a shit. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm done shitting. The COVID-19 drinking contest was a disaster.